So funny, Papa.
In Finland, this is real story. In Finland, there was a police stop on the road. Police stopped the cars, and they put the promille measure to the car driver's mouth, that they will blow it, and the police can see if they are drunk. And one guy was so drunk, it was also filmed in news, and he was so drunk that he said to the police, "Let me have a drink too." Because it was only the measure which you need to blow. So.
Okay.
Hawak ng mga singing queen sa magiging unang card mo. Pag-isipan mo mabuti bago pumili.
Sino ang gusto mo nandiyan? Si Singing Queen Sam.
Ay, bakit?
Singing Queen Casey. Singing Queen Eunice. At Singing Queen
Give the comb so that Papa
Sino
looks
pipili mo?
very handsome.
Napili ko po ay si Singing Queen Sam.
Si Sam.
Sam po.
Bakit?
Feel ko po, nung nakita ko po
Swerte.
feel ko maswerte
Okay.
talaga.
I will open the ceiling fan, okay?
Tingnan mo na natin.
I will open the ceiling fan. I will. Huh?
I need to finish the combing.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Matamis din ang
Papa,
alimango nito, no?
you like that your hair was tan?
Yeah, I like it. That's why it's slow.
Okay.
It's short now.
Okay.
But I don't want to put.
But you look so handsome when you hear it.
Yeah, but I don't. I don't want to look like Adolf Hitler,
Ah. Okay. It's
because
okay.
he have
Okay.
line here, and then
Okay.
this
You
is
are handsome.
this is
More.
better when this this is better that there is no lines on my head.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jerome, ang pinili mo ay si Singing Queen